ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 436। गार्ग्य is now doing upasatti to Ajatashatru as a shishya, just like how anyah shishyo gurum upagacchati. Here why this upasatti is required? This is said in Shvetashvatara Upanishad. वेदांते परमं गुह्यम पुरा कल्पे प्रचोदितम न अप्रशांताय दातव्यम न अपुत्राय अशिष्याय वा पुनः. This jnanam, Vedanta jnanam, Upanishad jnanam should not be given to aprashanta. Means the one who has lot of vikshepa, to that person it should not be given. Then aputraya, Pita can give it to putra, the one who is not putra. Then if they should be prashanta or shishya. When it comes to putra, even if he is not prashanta, Pita has freedom to give it to putra. Shastra has given this. Like how Dronacharya ji did pariksha for everybody else. For Ashwathama, without any condition, without pariksha, he was given jnana. That is different vidya, but it is given. For others, they have to do upasatti. That's why this shloka, aputraya na datavya, means putraya datavya. Anya, they should be shishya and they should be prashant also. Now here you cannot see why this and that. The only reasoning we can think of is this putra is born to this pita. Means Paramatma somewhere wants that this jnanam should be continued, if not elsewhere, at least in this parampara. So Shvetaketu is also given jnanam by his pita. That vidya from pita, without any qualification also, pita should give to putra. This is allowed. But for others, they have to do either upasatti, they have to become shishya, and they also have to be prashanta. This is 622, Shvetashvatara. Mantra. सहोवाच अजातशत्रुः प्रतिलोमं चैतद यद ब्राह्मणः क्षत्रियमुपेयात् ब्रह्ममेव वक्ष्यति इति व्येवत्वा ज्ञापयिष्यामि इति तं पाणावादायोत् तत्स्थौ तौ पुरुषं सुप्तम् आजग्मतुः तम एतैर्नामभिर् आमन्त्र्यान् चक्रे बृहन् पाण्डरवासः सोमराजन् इति स न उत्तत्स्थौ तं पाणिना आपेशं बोधयाञ्चकार सः उत्तस्थौ आमन्त्रयाञ्चक्रे क्रे रेफ इज मिसिंग सहोवाच अजातशत्रुः. When Gargya said, I will do upasatti, Ajatashatru said, this is pratilomam. Why? Pratilomam chetad yad brahmanah kshatriyam upayat. A brahmana is doing upasatti to kshatriya. This is pratiloma. And you said, Brahma me vakshyati, that you shall teach me Brahma in this way. This is pratiloma, upasatti. Iti. Vyeva tva jnapayishyami. So you have to read. We will go with jnapayishyami. Iti eva tvam vignapayishyami iti. Even though this is pratiloma upasatti, still I will teach you. What is that pratiloma? We will see in Bhashya. Bhagavan Bhashyakar explains all this. Means in Upanishad, lot of things are already given. And Bhashyakar has explained how the Jnanam and Jnana Parampara should be. Vignapayishyami iti. Tam panau adaya उत्तस्थौ तौ पुरुषं सुप्तम आजग्मतुः. पाणौ आदाय. पाणौ इज द्विवचनम और एक वचनम.
द्विवचनम.
ऑल रॉन्ग. पाणौ इज एक वचनम. पाणी शब्द इज देयर. इट इज नॉट राम रामौ कि पाणी पाणौ. पाणौ सप्तमी एक वचन. It's so easy to get trapped. Pano, Pani. Huh? Saptami in which artha? Panau adaya. Adhikana saptami. Panau adaya uttasthau. उत्तस्थौ तौ पुरुषम. पाणी प्रातिपदिक है. पाणी इज प्रातिपदिक. पाणौ, इट इज नॉट दैट you have to lift both the hands of the person. Ajatashatru is taking the hand of Gargya and he is taking it to this some person who is Supta Purusha. To that Supta Purusha, Uttasthau. Tauha Purusham Suptam Ajagmatuhu. Tau is Dvivachanam or not?
द्विवचनम स्वामी.
Tau is Dvivachanam. Panau is Ekvachanam. Ajagmatuhu. They came to this Supta Purusha. Tam etaihi namabihi amantryan chakre. With these names, he called out that person. Brihan, Pandaravasah, Somarajan, iti. Brihan, in Tika it is given as Brahma in Hindi Tika. Iti sa na uttatsthav. Uttatsthav. Uttatsthav is what Rupa? Lit. So he did not get up. Saha na uttatsthav. Tam uttatsthav. उत्तस्थौ नहीं, दो तकार है ना? हाँ, तस्थौ नहीं, उत तस्थौ, तस्थौ, उत्तस्थौ, उत्तस्थौ न उत्तस्थौ. तम पाणिना आपेशम. पाणी, सी पाणी शब्द है इसका. पाणिना, with the hands, apesham, they shook him. Bodhayan chakara, and they tried to wake him up. Sa uttasthau. Then he woke up. See the bhashya. See bhashya. Sahovacha अजातशत्रुः प्रतिलोमम विपरीतम च एतत् किम तत्. Sahovacha अजातशत्रु. That Ajatashatru said, why this is viparitam pratilomam? यद ब्राह्मण उत्तम वर्ण आचार्यत्वे अधिकृतः सन् क्षत्रियम अनाचार्य स्वभावम उपेयात् उपगच्छेत् शिष्यवृत्त्या ब्रह्म में वक्ष्यति इति एतद् आचार विधि शास्त्रेषु निषिद्धम. Many people don't like such sentences of Bhagavan Bhashyakara. This is very clear, black and white in his thinking. Yad Brahmana Uttama Varna Acharyatve Adhikritaha. Brahmana who is in Uttama Varna, he is adhikari to become Acharya. Acharyatve Adhikritaha. Son and Kshatriyam Anacharya Swabhavam. Kshatriya Swabhav is not going to be Acharya Swabhav according to Bhagavan Bhashyakara. Kshatriyam Anacharya Swabhavam Upeyat Upagachet. Aw Shishya Vrittya, as Shishya. Brahmana becoming Shishya of Kshatriya is Pratilomiam. Shishya Vrittya, and say Brahma me Vakshyati iti. Means this Acharya is only for Brahma Jnanam. For other Jnanam, this discussion is not about other Jnanam. This discussion is about Brahma Vidya. For other Jnanam, whatever applies, it applies. That we don't have to worry. Here, for Brahma Jnanam, this is the matam of Bhagavan Bhashyakara and Shruti. Brahma me vakshyati iti etad achar vidhi shastreshu nishiddham. Adhyanam of Brahma by a Brahmana from a Kshatriya in achar vidhi shastra, it is nishiddham according to Bhagavan Bhashyakara here. Then if you apply this way, Brahmana means the one who has more sadhan chatushtaya, Kshatriya who has less, this, that. Whichever way you want to consider, the language here is clearly based on Varna. Tasmat tishthatvam acharya eva san. Therefore, Ajatashatru says, you remain acharya only. Tasmat tvam tishtha, you remain as acharya. 6 number tippani. Mattah tava uttamatvat. Then me, you are uttama. Now you see, this Raja doesn't say, you don't know, how can you be uttama? You are a useless Brahmana. I am superior Kshatriya. He doesn't say like that. Even he knows something the other person doesn't know. He is a Raja, the person is Praja. Still he says, you remain Acharya only. These things, this is what we have to learn. Tasmat tvam tishtha Acharya eva san. You remain Acharya only. I will still give you the Jnanam. Vignapayishyami eva tvam aham. Aham tvam Vignapayishyami. I will teach you. In Tika, you see shlokas are given from Manusmriti. Abrahmanadadhyana मापत्काले विधीयते अनुव्रज्या च शुश्रूषा यावदध्ययनं गुरोः ना ब्राह्मणे गुरौ शिष्यो वासमात्यन्तिकं वसेत्. आप अब्राह्मणाद अध्ययनम आपत्काले विधीयते. Adhyanam from Abrahmana means Brahma Vidya Adhyanam. From Abrahmana is only in Apatkala. Apatkala means when you want to study but there is no other opportunity, there is no other Brahmana who is available to teach, then it is said Abrahmanad Adhyanam is allowed. Anuvrajya cha Shushrusha. Anuvrajya, Vraj dhatu, Anu upasarga purvak, Kya pratyaya. Anuvrajana means following the footsteps of Guru. So imagine this situation now. A Kshatriya is Guru, Brahmana is Shishya. When he will become Shishya of this Guru? Apatkala, number one. Second, at that time, Yavad Adhyanam. As long as Adhyanam is going on, Guru ho Anuvrajya cha Shushrusha. He will have to follow the Guru. He will have to do Shushrusha of Guru. And na abrahmane gurau shishya atyantikam vasam vaset. He will not become antevasi. Means in that Gurukula he need not stay. That Brahmana will not stay in the Gurukula of Kshatriya. That is this Vakya, Manusmriti. Na abrahmane gurau shishya atyantikam vasam vaset. He will not become antevasi. He can stay outside and study. Ityadini achar vidhi shastrani dirgha. Then questions will come. What kind of Brahmana? When you say Brahmana means who is a Brahmana? So he should have studied Vedanga, Shiksha Kalpa Vyakarana. He should have done Yajñopavid Sanskara very early and then done all the Upasana, etc. His Shraddha in Veda should be extreme. So all those things will make him different. Further, Adityadi Brahmabhyo Vishesham Aha. Adityadi Brahma, Aditya Brahma, Chandrama Brahma, etc., all the way up to Aham. Adityadi Brahmabhyo Vishesham Aha. Yasmin vidite Brahma viditam bhavati yat tan mukhyam Brahma vedyam. Yasmin vidite Brahma viditam bhavati. When that which is known, then Brahma becomes known. Yat tan mukhyam Brahma vedyam. That should be understood as Mukhya Brahma. Tang gargyam salajyam alakshya विश्रम्भ जननाय पाणौ हस्त आदाय गृहीत्वा उत्तस्थौ उत्थितवान. So then Ajatashatru saw Gargya was salajjam. He had some feeling that, oh, I did not know what I announced, that Brahmate Bravani, etc. So he had some lajja. To remove that, and Vishrambha Jananaya, to increase his faith in himself, confidence, Panau Haste Adaya, his hand he took in his own hand. Grihitva Uttasthau Uthitavan, and they got up and they went. Both of them together. Panau. Panau, if you say Panau, Dvivachana, what is the Pratipadika? Pana. There is no Pana Shabda. Pani is the Shabda. In his hands, what else? Tauha Gargya Ajata Shatru Purusham Suptam Rajagriha Pradeshe Kvachid Ajagmatuhu Agatau. Tau Kau Gargya Ajata Shatru Gargyascha Ajata Shatruscha iti Gargya Ajata Shatru Suptam Purusham Rajagriha Pradeshe. In the palace somewhere, somebody, some Chaukidar must be sleeping. They went to him. Kvachit Ajagmatuhu Agatau. Tancha Purusham Purusham Suptam Prapya Etair Namabihi Brihan Pandarvasah Somarajan iti Etaihi Amantrayan Chakre. By these shabdas, Brihan, Pandarvasah, Somarajan, ityadi, they tried to wake him up. So, why these names? These are the names of prana. I told you earlier, these are names of prana. Okay, understand the concept, then we will go in the detail. When a person is sleeping, prana is awake and Atma is present. In sleep state, two things only are there: prana and Atma. Ahankar has gone to sleep, right? You call him by names of the prana. Pranas are there. Prana doesn't respond. So the one who is remaining, that is Atma. That is what he wants to show. Question will be asked, why can't they do all this in waking? Why you have to take deep sleep state and then do all this? What is the reason? In waking, what Gargi had understood, that Brahma, which is Karta Bhokta, Ahankara, so or Saguna, Savishesha. That Savishesha Brahma and Nirvishesha Brahma both are present in waking. And both are present mixed up. Mixed up means adhyasa. Between Atma and Ahankara. This adhyasa is there and they both are similar. So to do Viveka in Jagrat is difficult. That's why Sushupti is chosen to reveal Atma when Ahankara is not present. So it is easy to recognize. In other words, throughout the day, we should do this Chintanam that Atma and Ahankara, means Atma and Anatma, they are together. And am I able to pay attention to Atma, separate myself from Ahankara, which is Anatma? This is what I need to do. And when we wake up from Sushupti, so at that time, it is evident that at that time, Ahankar was absent, I was present. This is the main idea of the teaching. Teaching will be given, so don't ask questions now. He will teach now, okay? All these portions will be discussed. There is long bhashya on this. I'm just giving you the gist so that you don't lose the idea of where are we going, why you have to wake up somebody who is sleeping and all. Eva? But it was given prana also. Chandra, but there in Tika it is given prana also. In here also it is given, see here. Pranasya vyapriyamanasya sambodhanartham prayukta nama ashravanat apeshanach utthanat tasya abhoktritvam siddhyati iti phalitam aha. In Tika it is given. तम अप्रतिबुध्यमानम पाणिना आपेशम with the hands of with the help of hands, panina apesham apishya shaking punah bodhayanchakara pratibodhitavan tena sa uttatsthav. Sitika, then he woke up. Pranasya vyapriyamanasya eva sambodhanartham. Prana, which is doing vyapara in Sushupti, prana will be called Vyapriyamana. Vyapriyamanasya pranasya sambodhanartham. All the sambodhana is for prana. Prayukta nama ashravanat apeshanacha utthanat. Prayukta nama shravanam prana did not do. Prana or whoever was supposed to hear, he did not do shravanam. And when apeshanam was done, apeshanacha utthanat. Tasya abhoktritvam siddhyati. Tasya pranasya. अभोक्तृत्वम 9 नंबर टिप्पणी अनात्मत्वम means prana is anatma and everything else has gone to laya, then the only thing remains is atma. फलितमाह तस्मात् यो गार्ग्येण अभिप्रेतो न असौ अस्मिन् शरीरे कर्ता भोक्ता ब्रह्म. What Gargya had understood, Gargyena abhipretah, that was अस्मिन् शरीरे यत् कर्ता भोक्ता न तद ब्रह्म. That is not Brahma. What is karta bhokta? See tippani number 2 also. गार्ग्य अभिमेत गार्ग्य अभिमत प्राण देवतातिरिक्त एवं आत्मा अस्मिन् शरीरे कर्ता भोक्ता न प्राण इति निश्चीयते, अन्यथा उच्छ्वासनी ही श्वास रूपेण व्याप्रियमाणस्य प्राणस्य बृहन् इत्यादि प्राणात्म चंद्रादित्यादि नामभिः संबोधन अश्रवणम व संबोधन अश्रवणम अनुत्थानम च न स्यात्.
आश्रयणं स्वामी.
In your book it is ashrayanam. It should be ashravanam. There is no shra. Where? In tippani I am reading. संबोधन अश्रवणम, उसमें क्या? अश्रयणम is given, not shrayan. Ashravanam, you have to make it va. And sambodhana anuswara is also not there. Add sambodhana ashravanam. Now there is a discussion. टीका तौह सुप्तम इत्यादि सुप्त पुरुष गति उक्तिम आक्षिप्यति. तौह सुप्तम, that they went to supta purusha. Supta purusha gati ukti, why they had to go to supta purusha? This is akshepa. कथम पुनरिदम अवगम्यते सुप्त पुरुष गमन तत्संबोधन अनुत्थानैः गार्ग्य अभिमतस्य ब्रह्मणो अब्रह्मत्वं ज्ञापितम् इति. This is beautiful discussion. How do you know katham punah idam avagamyate, that going to supta purusha gamanam, that tat sambodhanam, some names were uttered, Brihat, Pandaravasa, Somarajan. Sambodhana, Sambodhanena Anuthana, he did not wake up. By that, Gargya Abhimata Brahma is a Brahma. How this is Pratipaditam, Jnapitam? How do we know this? Tika. Gargya Kashya गार्ग्य काश्य अभिमतयोः उभयोरपि जागरिते करणेषु सन्निधाना विशेषात् तत्रैव किमिति विवेको न दर्शित इत्यर्थः. Why they did not show the viveka in Jagrata Avastha itself? Gargya Kashya means Ajatasattu. He is a Kashi, king of Kashi. Gargya Kashya Abhimatayoho Ubhayoho api Jagarite Karneshu Sannidhana. In Jagrat Avastha, all Karanas are available. Sannidhana Avisheshad means both are present. Then why did not they do Viveka in Jagrat itself? Tatraiva kimiti Viveko na darshita. Jagarite Karaneshu Dvayoho Sannidhane api Sankarya Dushkaram Vivechanam iti Pariharati. In Jagrat Avastha, Karaneshu Dvayoho Sannidhane api. Both Karanas are present. Sannidhi is there. Sankarya is there between the two. Sankarya between Atma and Anatma, or Gargya Abhimata Brahma and Kashya Abhimata Brahma. Between them there is Sankarya. 10 number टिप्पणी. No, 10 number. No. अच्छा. First see 10 number. Sakshya Sakshi Rupayoho. And Sankarya is like Nirakshira. In milk, if you put water, then forget about separating them. दुष्करम विवेचनम इति परिहरति जागरित काले यो गार्ग्य अभिप्रेतः. See in भाष्य. जागरित काले यो गार्ग्य अभिप्रेतः पुरुषः कर्ता भोक्ता ब्रह्म सन्निहितः करणेषु यथा तथा अजात शत्रु अभिप्रेतोपि तत्स्वामी भृत्येषु इव राजा सन्निहित एव. इन जागृत अवस्था करण है सन्निधि ऑफ बोथ कर्ता भोक्ता ब्रह्म एंड अकर्ता अभोक्ता ब्रह्म, दृश्य रूप ब्रह्म एंड दृक् रूप ब्रह्म, बोथ आर प्रेजेंट टुगेदर. दृश्य रूप ब्रह्म मीन्स प्रमाता. टीका. ब्रह्म शब्दात् ऊर्ध्वम सशब्दम अध्याहृत्य योजना. In bhashya pankti, how it is given, jagrita kale yo gargya abhipreta purusha karta bhokta brahma, then sa sannihita karane, because yo is given, so then you have to give sa yat tat, they will be together. तरहि स्वामी भृत्य न्यायेन तयोर विवेकोपि सुकर स्यात्. Then it is clear, one is Swami, another is Bhritya. Swami Bhritya Nyayena, Viveka should be easy. Kintu Bhritya Swaminor Gargya Ajata Shatrava Abhipretayoho Yad Viveka Avadharana Karanam Tat Sankirnatvat Anavadharita Vishesham. Between them, Vishesha Avadharanam is not possible. Why? Sankirnatvat, they are mixed up. Tad Viveka Avadharana Karanam. Kim tat Viveka Avadharana Karanam? Yad Drashtritvam eva bhoktuhu na Drishyatvam. Yaccha abhoktuhu Drishyatvam eva na tu Drashtritvam. Taccha ubhayam, tachobhayam. Tachobhayam iha sankirnatvad vivichya दर्शयितुम अशक्यम इति सुप्त पुरुष गमनम. यद दृष्टृत्वम एव भोक्तुः न दृश्यत्वम, यच्च अभोक्तुः दृश्यत्वम एव न तु द्रष्टृत्वम. सी नाउ टिप्पणी. यद नंबर 1 टिप्पणी. यद द्रष्टृत्वम एव भोक्तुः मीन्स साक्षित्वम belongs to Chaitanya, na drishyatvam. Chaitanya is not drishya. And yacha abhoktuhu. Bhokta here means Chaitanya in that way, not karta bhokta as in bhokta. Because of the two, who is going to do listening? Prana and Atma, if two are there, Prana is jada, therefore it did not respond. And Atma is Chaitanya, so that responded when he was shaken. This is the yukti. यच्च अभोक्तुः दृश्यत्वमेव न तु द्रष्टृत्वम्. अभोक्तुः दृश्य, जड़ वस्तु इज दृश्य, not drashta. In other words, drashta and drishya are mixed up, or atma and pramata are mixed up in Jagrat. संकीर्णत्वात् विविच्य दर्शयितुम् अशक्यम् जागरिते इति सुप्त पुरुषगम. Therefore they went to सुप्त पुरुष. टीका कथम तद अनवधारित विशेषम इति तदाह तच्च. तच्च उभयमेव. इह इति जागरितोक्तिः. In Jagrat it is mixed up. So they went to Supta Purusha. More discussion will come, but idea you should understand and try to follow this thinking. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.